Hey everyone, Zach with Cleanstone Construction here. What if I told you that there's a way we can save you $20,000 towards the cost of construction for a driveway like this? Well, if you're a homeowner in Virginia, we can make that reality come true. Through the Virginia Conservation Assistance Program, they offer a program that will reimburse you up to $20,000 towards the total cost of the project, while also adding eco-friendly benefits. Today I'm going to show you how you can tap into this incredible opportunity and create the driveway of your dreams, all while protecting the environment and saving big money. Let's dive in. You may be asking yourself, why would somebody give me $20,000 to build my driveway? Well, one of the things that the Virginia Conservation Assistance Program is trying to promote is stormwater management. It's a huge problem in a lot of municipalities where they have to pay zone variances for impervious surfaces above a certain percentage of the square footage of the lot. So, one of the things that goes into that factor is your roof system, a driveway, a patio. So all the water that comes down during a rain or a storm will then go straight into the storm water systems, the gutters. With all of the construction and building that's happening these days, it is overwhelming the stormwater management systems, even causing flooding. So one of the things that manufacturers of pavers have come up with is permeable paver systems. And that's how we can get you a reimbursement of $20,000 towards your permeable pavement project. So, how do we do that, you ask? One of the ways is, instead of a traditional base underneath of the permeable pavement, we will excavate down deeper, creating a rainwater reservoir. And the joint fill that we use is also a main difference compared to traditional installation. Traditional installation uses a polymeric joint sand that doesn't allow water to go down through the joint and wash off. As you can see here, we use a number 9 stone. It is a washed aggregate that allows the water to pass down through into the reservoir beneath. As you go down deeper and deeper, the aggregate becomes bigger, and larger, also creating a filter system. So all of the oils and contaminants that come from cars in the street, even the petroleum products that are all over your house, whether it be the asphalt shingles or the PVC siding, it washes those contaminants out through the gravel instead of going straight into the drinking water. So there's another eco-friendly benefit of using this installation method. So give us a call today and we can help you on your next permeable pavement project.